Going on a first date can be exciting but also nerve-wracking, especially when budget constraints are a factor. However, a memorable date doesn't have to be expensive. Here are some ideas to help you plan a fun and affordable first date. 1. Explore nature. Hiking or walking. Pack a picnic lunch and enjoy the outdoors. Visit a local park. Many parks offer free concerts or events. Go stargazing. Find a secluded spot and enjoy the night sky. 2. Get creative. Have a game night. Play board games, card games, or video games. Cook a meal together. Experiment with new recipes and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Try a DIY project. Create something together, like painting pottery or building a small piece of furniture. Enjoy free or low-cost activities. Visit a museum or art gallery. Many museums offer free admission on specific days or times. Attend a free concert or festival. Check local listings for upcoming events. Explore your city's historic district. Take a walking tour or visit landmarks. Be mindful of costs. Plan ahead by researching free or low-cost activities in your area. Consider transportation costs. Carpool or use public transportation to save money. Be mindful of food and drink expenses. Choose affordable options, such as sharing appetizers or bringing your own snacks. Focus on connection. Choose activities that allow for conversation. Avoid activities that are too loud or distracting. Be present and engaged. Show genuine interest in your date and their experiences. Remember that the most important part of a first date is getting to know each other. By following these tips, you can plan a memorable and affordable first date that will leave a lasting impression.